Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making the matcha burned cheesecake. This is really yummy and creamy, only take a few steps. I have been craving for this all night. Matcha cheesecake goes with dalgona matcha. How does it sound? Let's see the ingredients. Pretty simple, right? First of all, prepare 5 large eggs, room temperature. Break 3 whole eggs one by one. Then separate 2 yolks. Put 454 grams of cream cheese into a large bowl. Soften under room temperature. Start whisking from low speed to medium-low speed. When you can see the clear lines on the cream cheese, then you can add half of the sugar to it. Continue to whisk until the sugar dissolves, then add the rest. Continuous whisk until the granules of the sugar disappear. Now add eggs and egg yolks one by one while beating. When we get the satisfied consistency, add 20 grams of matcha powder. This is the main role of the ingredients. You may adjust the amount of use if you like. I just love this flavor. Then we sift 18 grams of the cornstarch. This is not exactly making the cake. The small amount of cornstarch is helping to build up the structure. Make sure you mix the dry ingredients before you start to whisk, otherwise you will get a big mess. Start to whisk from the low speed to medium-low. Add 350 grams of whipping cream. Continuously whisk the batter until you get a satisfied consistency just like this. Now we prepare the baking pan. I used 8 inches pan. Put a layer of parchment sheets. Then pour in the batter. Smooth the surface and drop the pan a few times to eliminate air bubbles. Preheat the oven to 410 Fahrenheit degrees or 210 Celsius degrees. Bake about 20 to 25 minutes. When you take it out, You can see the cake is really puffy, but it shrinks quickly when it cools down. Of course, you can eat it now, but it's always better to place it in the refrigerator 4 to 6 hours before serving. The matcha burned cheesecake is perfectly done. Now you can see the burned spots on the edges. If you like the green tea flavor as I do, try this out. You won't be disappointed. I promise. Please give me a like if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.